Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Fundle Technology Company. Yeah, so no time to waste. If you're new to crypto trading and you want to know how you can create Binance account and how to sell your USDT, this video is good for you because this video I will show you how you can sell your USDT, how you can buy it and sell it on Binance and make profit. So no time to waste. Join me on my phone screen and let me show you how you can do it. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching me from TikTok, don't forget to follow me and let's keep it rolling. Join me on my phone screen and let's cash it out. Yeah, hello, yeah. So, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name is already the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm the co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. So let's continue. So I'm about to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance and sell it on Binance and make profit. Yeah. So when you open Binance, this is how Binance is like. So first of all, before you can start trading on Binance, you have to verify your account and everything. So after verification and everything, then you can do your trade on Binance. So let's assume you want to buy USDT on Binance. This is how you do it. You'll go to your trade and you go to P2P. So if you go to P2P, this where you can buy your cryptocurrency. So it's not only USDT that you can buy BTC, BNB, Ethereum, Solana, it's other thing. Yeah, you can buy all these things on the P2P market. So when you come, if you want to buy, this is it. So we see that every person have his or a price range. Yeah. So when you come, you have to check the quantity and the limit. So and the accounts too. So let's assume that I'm a beginner and I have money and my money range is between 500 to 1,000 Ghana cedis. So when I come to this person, if I have 1,000 Ghana cedis, this person will sell it to me, and this person only receive money from Vodafone Cash, Airtel Money, 80 money. So let's assume that you don't have this kind of things. You are using only mobile money. So you can search and see the more money. So this person to more money from 1,000 to 8,000. So I can do with this person. So it means that if I want one USDT from this person, I have to spend 13.85 Ghana cedis to get one USDT. So all I have to do is just click on the buy. So when I click on the buy, I will tell the person that I need the amount of 1,000. So the 1,000, the person will say that okay, then this is the amount to be getting 72.20 USDT. So you come and select your payments method, so mobile money. So when you click on the buy USDT, it will initiate the market, and in this process you have to send the mobile money first, and the person will release the cryptocurrency to you. Yeah. So when you are done, the same thing applies to selling. So let me go to P2P again. So if I go to the sell, yeah, this is how the sell tool looks like. Yeah, so the sell tool, you have to see the limit you have. Let's say you have 72 USDT. So this person receive only 30,000 upwards, so you can't do trade with this person. So you check the person, this one to receive 700 upwards. You can do trade with this person as well. So let's go to the fear woman and something. So you enter the amount. So let's say I have 50, I have 45 right now. The USDT I have 45. You see, the money won't reach. So the present limit of the USDT he's expecting from me is from 50.75 72 going. Yeah, so you go on and search for a person in your range. Is that thing? So this person is 13.75. So MTN more money, Momo and Vodafone cash. So I click on the sell, and I'll enter, let's say 45. I wish that they say insufficient balance. Please add funds. When this thing happen, it doesn't mean that you don't have money on. At times, the money will be in your account. At times, the money will be in your account. The money will be in your account. It will be in your sports wallet. So you have to transfer it from sports wallet to funding wallet. So you go to the add funds. Then you transfer the money you have. That I have 43. Then I'll confirm it. So right now the money is in my funding wallet. So I'll go to sell again, and I'll search for my range. I'll search for my range. So okay, this one. Okay, this one. Then I'll enter 43. So have you seen it? Yeah. So I'll go to sell now. Sell USDT. So at this point, you have initiated a trade, and the money you are expecting is for 591. You see that thing? So when you receive anything less than this money, don't release your cryptocurrency. So let me go to the chart. So I've seen that the person have said that nice doing business with you, come again next time. Let me do okay. So the person last seen is 3 minutes ago. So it means that the person is not online. But one thing about Binance is that if the pending payment time is not up to 0, you can't initiate any trade again unless. So obviously I've received the money 591 in my account. So obviously that they say payments received. So if you click on the payments received, that means you have received the money. So this is how I always do it. No, I'll go to my wallet and check the money. If it's mobile money that sent me the money, yes, mobile money that sent me the money, 591, and the money I'm expecting is what, 591. Then I will dial *170#. Then I'll check whether the money is in my account right now. At times it will not be in the account, so you have to check whether the money is in the account. Check balance. So the money is in my account. Yeah. So the money is in my account because I was having 782, and now I have 591. So it means that the money is in my account right now. So I've received the 591. Yeah, and that's the money I was expecting. So I'll go on and click on payments received down here and confirm release. And I'll do my passcode. So I'm done. So it means that I've received the money. I wish that I received the money. So that's how it is. That's how you buy and sell on Binance. But if you don't understand anything, you can ask me and I'll guide you. Thank you, and I'm out.